Paul here from Honda of Fairfield to talk about the Cardo motorcycle communication systems we have in stock. The FreeCom One Plus will do your rider only, so you can talk on your phone, listen to your music. You can now also do the FreeCom One Plus Duo, which is rider to passenger Bluetooth communication. Both can listen to their own music and talk on their own phones. The 4 Plus with JBL sound system, this one can do up to 4 riders on 4 separate motorcycles spanning several miles, everyone listening to their own music, talking on their own phone, but still communicating together in the Bluetooth setup. Also the Pack Talk Bold, which now goes to dynamic mesh. This one you can do up to 15 riders over several miles, also with the JBL sound system and natural voice technology to go to complete hands-free communication and hands-free control of the device itself. All of these are in stock and ready to go today at Honda of Fairfield. I don't know how long that was, but